Today we're at Chef Tony's. We're gonna try their dim sum. This restaurant has won a lot of awards. It's pretty famous locally. So we're gonna enjoy some dim sum today. So these are the nice light taro root dumplings. It's got the honeycomb effect on the outside. This is a taro root dumpling. It's got the nice honeycomb effect. Wow. One of the best I've ever had. Wow, look at this, look at this. Look at the savory filling on this. Nice and soft with the taro root inside. It's got the nice pork with lots of flavor. And you got the honeycomb effect on the outside. So really light, flaky honeycomb crust. So you can see the so flaky, it actually fell off onto the tablecloth. So it's twice as much as some of the other Chinese restaurants we tried, but well worth it. Ooh, look at these, look at these. So these are the pork and prawn siu mai with the black truffle topping. That's a special touch there. Oh, I actually touched it. Look at this dumpling. This is the pork and prawn siu mai with black truffle. That's a nice touch. Is that ever tasty? It's got the moist, savory filling with prawn and pork. So I would say this actually is one of the best dim sum places in our area here. No, not much. So that's the pork and prawn siu mai with the black truffle. Also special. Oh, look at that. This is seafood special chow mein. So we're gonna make my version at home. So, but let's give this a try right now. So the special chow mein, you get these huge scallops. That's a real nice sweet scallop, not overcooked, really tender. So this is seafood chow mein. It's got the nice sauce on the seafood, and you have some nice noodles here. Oh, look at that! Look at that! So that passes my test for a good seafood chow mein. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.